Hey, babe. How you doing, honey? I know it's doing right. All right. Oh, you see them 5 guys over there? Oh, look. Back it up. Oh, my God. What was that? I don't know, Aisha. What you talking about? Holy crap. Oh, my God. There you go. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, no. That was my friend. That was my friend. You bitch. Not me. Yo, get my wife out of here. We out. Oh, shit, no. No, my baby. Oh, you bitch.
I'm hungry.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm hungry.
Nigga, shoot that shit down. Shoot that. You ain't getting me, bitch. You ain't getting me. No, put him down. Run out of here. Ah, shit, my leg. Wait, get the. Ah, shit. No, he's stretching me out.
Shot at me?
My leg. My leg. Oh, come on, we get out of here. My leg. Oh, they my head. My boyfriend. Ah, you bitch. Stop trying to be Oh, it stinks like shit in here. My leg. That bitch bit my leg. How the fuck you find us? How the fuck did you find us? Behind the rock? Oh shit. Jump. I have no legs to jump. Get on my back. Oh shit. Run, man. Run. I'm crawling. Shit. Oh, my leg. I'm the last one alive. I'm gonna die. Back off, bitch.
And then you fall off the cliff.
No.
That one could fall on the floor. We got a video recorder falling.
It won't come off.
Duh.